NDC for ya DB. Emma MPP for you Sunday. What you say? Ronnie said that prepare and Crawford for certain position. Sure. Now he was talking about MMDCEs. MMDCEs, you know, over 90% Asiedu Nketia and Crawford. Oh yes. 90%. Oh, I'm telling you, and I know. Now, Asiedu Nketia and Crawford no over 90%. You know. MMDCEs, you know, how many party no?
Definitely.
Because they are the closest to the full soldiers. And a Bayan and Crawford, you know. One kasa say national chairman asa me atwa budget kese a common fund budget ye tua no double. So what I say, and he's the party chairman, he's the leader. Mama is the president. Into a catcher was said na obusu afo mpe o ya. And or Rebecca said in the contest. Yeah, he's right because he know what is in stock. I mean, he know what is in stock for him.
You say is open just say or castle call presidential prime minister Obewene.
Now we not get about to force it. To force him begina Obekan ko asem say yesisimu. Ya bani trimu odin. And I would the same at to force in as ababeti kokoso. And to say we say ba presidential prime minister na. E dia asem na Obekan bi. Wow, party for the best video.
Done deal for.
And your friends more Greek minister also about out to say a Greek minister. Very soon, one here I say look at your before so no. I could catch and say, do took on a boy my yeno. On once a Greek minister called rounds. Now so coach with the reason tia Coco no yet is so it do so presidential ambition no was what's because Coco has ever do and that man is a very smart politician.
Are you saying on the pushy or Mukoisha was besides
that's how bet my appointment without say only party chairman. On consult.
Anyway,
I mean, Kabi.